Well, what a fantastic day we've had. We've seen a series of presentations from fellows who are supported by our GW4 CAT HP programme. We've had a number of medics, physiotherapists, dentists, and they've not only demonstrated to us the huge quality of science and the exciting results that they're able to bring to us and to bring to the community, but we've had some fantastic presentations on the areas that they've developed outside of their direct research project, looking at other aspects of science, sometimes public outreach, a really important programme, for example, on bringing underrepresented groups to vaccination programmes. I think everyone's leaving the room feeling really positive. What a great bunch of people.
So today we have had the opportunity to hear from fellows in all different cohorts, from the first one to those currently writing their proposals, and it's been really inspiring to see the breadth and impact that has come from the projects in many different areas that we might not have expected.
So I found today really inspiring and really enjoyed being part of the programme so far. I think it's really nice to see today particularly the expertise that exists across the 4 institutions and the different potential collaborations that we can build into our PhDs. Also really nice to see healthcare professionals from across different disciplines and different professional backgrounds working collaboratively together.
I think the things that really stand out for me about the GW4 Clinical Academic Training Programme is the fact that you have amazing mentorship from the board of directors right from day one and throughout your PhD. And you also have a great process where you apply for the funding and then have a year to develop your PhD proposal. So you have some security of knowing that the funding's there for you before you put in a lot of effort developing the proposal.
I think the best thing is actually just your network of peers who are working on it. So I think unlike a lot of other programs, I'm here at an event with dozens of other peers who are on this program, and everyone's doing something different, everyone's doing things that are extra, and all of it is going to be really, well, all of it could be potentially amazing. And getting that experience and having that peer network that you can get advice from, you can lean onto sometimes and make those collaborations with, is fantastic.
So the GW4 has been fantastic at letting me be involved with a number of different institutions, but also more vitally the connections to the NHS. So I've worked across 3 different hospitals in the southwest, allowing me access to a huge number of patients, which has been really important when working on a particular rare disease such as pulmonary fibrosis.
Being on this programme has meant I've been able to access a wealth of skills and teaching and being part of an amazing research group in Bath, which will really help me when I go back into clinical practice afterwards, to take these lab and also sort of research analysis setting up skills in future. So yeah, without the GW4 CAT programme I wouldn't be able to do this.
I think one of the strengths of the GW4 PhD scheme has been the time and space to be able to learn how to deal with hospital records data, because going back into being an academic clinician interested in healthcare records, I'm going to be able to utilise that in better following up specific cohorts and applying it to management schemes within the hospital.
The GW4 CAT HP has offered me opportunity to be engaged and involved with charities and communities that I would never have otherwise met, and really see some of the impact we can have in the real world with real people with real problems.
Well, as part of my PhD, I have been to Malawi, worked with a number of collaborators from Glasgow, from Liverpool, and from Malawi itself. And then I've also helped start up a German biotech company, which has been completely unexpected for me. Like, I did not ever expect to be doing this today, but it's been really like a massive learning curve and so fun. I'd do it again for sure.
What I'd say to someone who is thinking about applying for the GW4 CAT Healthcare Professionals PhD programme is that it's a really amazing opportunity to take an observation from your clinical practice and to turn it into something amazing that can really answer your questions, and using the whole toolbox available to you as a GW4 CAT fellow across the 4 institutions which have all of these different strengths, and allowing you to work across disciplines in a way that really makes the programme really, really special, and is a huge opportunity and gives you such a great chance to build really useful skills for your research journey that will make you competitive going forward into your postdoctoral career too. So I'd absolutely recommend you go for it.